Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 823 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Micro Brow Pencil, and I am so excited about this because I love filling in my brows, and this is my favorite type of brow product, which is just a very fine, thin pencil with a spoolie on the end. So I'm really excited to try this out. I got this in the shade Soft Brown. It looks like it only comes in 4 shades, which I wish that there were more shades of this, but it's cruelty-free and so inexpensive. On the Wet n Wild website, which is where I purchased this, it was $4.49, but when I was looking it up online, it looked like it was $2.99 at Target for this brow pencil. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So I hope it's good. We're gonna find out. I love that there's a spoolie on the end. I always start out by brushing through my brows because I do have pretty long brow hairs that I need to get tamed and going in the right direction. This spoolie, I can tell it's not my favorite, it's not the best. Here's what it looks like. It's kind of short. Like I wish it was a little bit longer and more full so that I could get all the brow hairs and brush through easier. You can tell I've tried out so many different brow products, so many different spoolies, that I even have a preference in how the spoolie feels. But let's also check out the pencil. This looks pretty good. It's the twist up kind. Here is what that looks like. It's a circular shape. It's not pointy, but I'm going to try and use the edge of the circle to get very fine, precise lines to make little hair-like strokes. So I'm going to start out by doing that, filling in the sparse areas. Okay, it's not really drawing fine lines. It kind of is more just dispersing some product that's actually looking kind of chunky. So I'm more just like coloring in my brows rather than drawing little hair-like lines. Even though I'm doing that technique, I'm just doing small little lines. It's not really drawing any lines. I'm gonna do a little swatch to see how it writes. Like, look at that skinny little line I did. Seems like it would draw hair-like little lines in my brows, but it's not really doing that. I mean, it looks good, like it's filled in the brows, but it's just not as hair-like, I guess, as I was expecting. So now I'm taking the spoolie, blending it all through. This definitely needs to be blended because it leaves little, how would I describe it? Like little crumbs of pencil, it looks like, in my eyebrow. And that definitely doesn't look natural, but as I'm brushing it through the brows, those are blending out and it's looking a lot more natural. So it looks full, it looks good, but it's definitely not amazing. I wish it was more of like a creamy formula. I think it's just very kind of powdery, so it looks like you can see the product in the brows, and I prefer a brow product that looks like natural brows, like natural hairs. You can't see any product in it, so even after brushing this through a bunch, I can still see some powder type texture in my brows, but that's because I'm looking super up close. From even a short distance away, it looks good. You can see the difference with the brow filled in without it. It looks full. I like the color. So for how inexpensive this is, I would say that it's decent and I can get use out of it, but I am just so picky with my brow products that this is not my favorite that I've ever tried. It feels like I'm also going through the product pretty quickly. I've already had to twist it up a couple times, so it'll be used up pretty fast. It's a bummer. It seems like these inexpensive micro brow pencils that seem to be very popular, I just don't usually end up loving. like the NYX micro brow pencil. That one is so high rated. It seems like people really love it, but that one didn't really work for me either. This one, clearly I'm not crazy about. I have heard really good things about, I think it's the Maybelline micro brow pencil. So that's on my list to try out soon. Maybe that one I will like better than this one. But let me know in the comments down below what your favorite brow pencils are. My current favorite that I use every day is from the brand Spoolie. It's from Amazon and I love it. I can link that video in the description down below if you want to see that. So I will continue using my Spoolie brow pencil as my daily brow pencil, but I still love trying out brow products. So here are my finished brows. They also will need to be set with a gel because this doesn't have any sort of waxiness to it that will hold the brows in place. But so there we have it. I would say decent, but not amazing. I'm glad that it's only $3 or $4 because I truly wouldn't want to pay any more for this. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.